Lot F64 is a 1969 Mercury Cyclone Fastback with an R code 428 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $51,700 on Friday, October 31st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 54,906 miles. And the highlights are factory R code, one of 3 as equipped with dark red vinyl bucket seats per Marty report, and the only one of those 3 equipped with the 350 traction lock rear axle. 428 Corvette V8 engine, ram air induction, C6 select shift automatic transmission, original black exterior, power front disc brakes, power steering, and deluxe Marty report. And the good news is the factory wheels that came on the car are in the trunk and they look like brand new. So you're able to put those right back on the car if you're not interested in the wheels that are on it. And according to the Marty report, Ford made 2,175 were Cyclone CJs. Of them, 1,693 came with the 428 Corvette ram air engines, and 1,040 of those had a C6 automatic transmission. 36 of those were painted black, of which only 3 had red vinyl bucket seats. Of those, 1 was equipped with 350 traction lock rear axle, and this is that Cyclone. And it was a nice car. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.